Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 1500 ST Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in granite. I do love the granite color. The gray is really nice. You do have the chrome on the grille up front here. It looks great. And you do have the chrome bumper as well. You have your halogen quad headlamps here, very bright, and you can come around the side here, and you do have 17-inch rims with Goodyear Wrangler brand tires. Those rims look very nice, and those tires still have lots of tread left on them. You do also have heated exterior mirrors right up here, right there in the black, and you do have a 5-foot box back here. Lots of room. You got that 4x4 logo and the Ram badging. Now, you do also have a chrome bumper back here. Very nice. You can open this guy up. The back is painted in the same color as the rest of the vehicle, and looks very nice. You'll be able to haul a lot of stuff back here. Okay, let's take a look on the inside. 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and you've got your panic button up there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside here. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. You got your handle here and another little handle right there. You got some additional storage down here, and it is a very spacious interior, very comfortable as well. I do really love the seats. They are soft and they are comfortable to sit on. You do have the controls over your lights here, so your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams all right there, and your in-cabin light control there. And then right up here, we do have the controls over our high beams, turning signals, and our windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up here. Key in the ignition. And we're good to go. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. It does also say how many kilometers we have, 532, that is pretty much nothing. Also the temperature outside. Now we can switch that around a little bit to our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A, trip B, our messages, screen setup, settings, and then you can turn the menu off if it was distracting. Now that is controlled from your steering wheel right here with your horn in the center and your cruise control options on the other side, and our gear shift right here just like that. Now you do have your radio right in the middle, so you do have your AM, FM, and Sirius XM all right there. You do also have your media devices here if you have one hooked up through your aux cord or through USB. You have your presets down here, info and ABC, and then down here we have our volume up and down with the power, the screen, the skip, the pause, and the mute, and all that, as well as the audio, menu, and back, and then you have your browser right there. And then down here we do have our climate control, so we do have our hazard lights up here. We have the power here with the circulation, AC, and heat there. Then you also over here have where it's going to blow out, plus your defrost. Then you have your traction control and your tow and haul mode. Down here you do have a bit of additional storage. You got a plug-in right there, and another one right there. In the center you do have 3 cup holders with your armrest, and it does double as a storage container. You got some coin holders here, and right over here we do have an aux cord and a USB plug-in, plus another 12-volt plug-in. Then you can close this guy, lift this one up. You do also have another seat under here, so this vehicle does seat 6 people all together. And then over here we do have our glove box. We got a top layer and a bottom layer. You do have your owner's manual in there as well. And let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now on the door here you do have the controls over your windows. You have your handle here and another little handle here. Got some storage down here. It is a crew cab, so lots of room in the back. You can also lift this guy up right here like this. You got some additional storage just underneath there. And under here you do also have a little storage container. You got your cup holders right there as well. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2017 Ram 1500 ST. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.